Hey everyone, in this video you will learn how you can send Slack channel messages for new contacts in Apollo application automatically. So guys, Apollo is a sales and customer engagement platform, and if you are using it, you already know how important it is to keep your team in loop about new leads and contacts. And if you're using Slack for team communication, it can be incredibly useful for you to receive notification messages on Slack for every new contact you add in Apollo. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a easy automation workflow for receiving Slack channel messages on adding new contacts in Apollo application. And we are going to set up this automation without any coding, just by few clicks. So guys, let's get started. To set up this automation, guys, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool, and this is the landing page of Pabbly. And guys, I'm going to paste this same link in the description as well. And from here, you can sign up for free, and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So you can just sign up right now from the given link in the description, and after that, you have to sign in and select Pabbly Connect product, and you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect like this. And from here, you have to click on this create workflow button. Here you can give a suitable name to your workflow as well. So I'm giving the name here as Apollo contacts to Slack messages. All right, after giving such kind of names, you have to click on create button, and your workflow page will load up like this. And on this page, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two things, we can set up any automation. So trigger, guys, is that event which start this workflow, and the action is an automated consequence or the response of the trigger. So in our use case, adding a contact in Apollo application will act as a trigger for this workflow, and the action would be to send a notification message on Slack. Okay, so here it will ask to choose your trigger application. So our trigger application will be Apollo. So search for Apollo here. Here it is, select it. Then you have to select the trigger event as new contact. Then click on connect. From here, select add new connection. And here it is asking for the API key of Apollo application. So guys, if you are already logged in Apollo, you just have to click on this here word written in blue, and you will reach the API key pages of Apollo developer portal. Here you will find this API keys tab, click on it. And under this page, you can create a key by clicking on this create new key button. I have already created it. So I'm just going to copy it like this, and you have to paste this key right here in this field. And after that, click on save, and you will be connected like this. Okay. After that, guys, you can click on save and send test request button to fetch the details of a new or recent contact that you have added in Apollo application. So let me show you my Apollo application. Here is it, and here we have two contacts right now saved like this. So let us just quickly create a new contact to show you how it is going to be imported or fetched. So I am creating a new contact here, and I am giving the name here as new test contact. This is the name of our contact. Here I am typing the email. All right, you can choose company name, organization stage. I'm this organization or also this contacts is at approaching stage. Okay, here you can type the phone number if we have, and you can fill the details of the country, location, everything. All right, and here let me choose the organization's name. Right. So here's how you can fill in the details, and after that you just have to click on save contact, and this contact will be saved like this. Okay. Right, guys. So we got a new contact added. Now let us click on save and send test request here, and the same contact will be fetched here like this. You can see we have received the response, and it started showing the details as the address of the contact is this, India. The organization's name is this. Okay. You can see the name, new test contact. Okay. Last name. So everything got fetched here, email address also, like this. Right now, guys, I want to send a notification message to my team present on Slack that we have just added or imported a new contact in Apollo. For that, we are going to connect with Slack in this actions tab. All right, and here we are going to use the action event as send channel message. Then click on connect. From here, select add new connection, then click on connect with Slack. And here it will ask to choose your token type to connect with Slack. So we have two Slack tokens available here. One is user and other is bot. So for both of the token types, we have different kind of access permissions to Slacks. So here you can click on this here word and you will reach the forum page of Pabbly. And here you can read about the Slack tokens. So for user Slack type, for user token type, you will get following permissions. And for bot, you will get these permissions. So you can read it carefully. I am going to use user here. Okay, for now, I'm using user as the token type. After that, I'm clicking on save and it will bring me to this window. Here you have to select your space from here. So let me show you my space. All right, I am under Pabbly Connect space. Okay. Let me just select Pabbly Connect space from here. All right, then you have to provide these access to your workflow. Just click on allow here and you will be connected like this. You can see the authorization is successful and we are connected, and here it is asking for the channel's name. So the name of my channel is this general. Okay, so I'm going to select the same here. And as you select the channel's name, these fields will appear here: message, image URL, and all these things. So in this message field, you can type the message that you want to send to your team. So I'm typing the message here as hello team. So guys, I have written the message like this: hello team, we have just added a new contact in Apollo, and the details are as follows: name, email, location, and organization. So I'm going to map all these things from this step, from this data that we have received from Apollo. So this is the test contact we have added. So I'm going to just click here on this in front of this name word, and you can see the previous step is appearing here. The trigger is here in the drop down, and when you click on it, you will find the data right here. So from here, I'm going to map the full name. Then I'm going to map the email address. So you'll find all the labels here in which you will get the data like this. So map the location and the organization's name. Okay, so guys, we have mapped all the data, and when you map the labels like this, after setting up this automation in real time, whenever you are going to add a real contact in Apollo, these labels are going to be updated and new message will be delivered with the new data on your Slack channel automatically. Okay, now guys, it is time to test our connection with Slack. We have all these options also, but right now I do not have the data to fill here, so I'm leaving all these things blank. Okay, and here by clicking on save and send test request button, you can check the connection with Slack and a new message will be delivered here in this general channel. Let us check here. I am clicking on save and send test request button, and this is the response we got, guys. Let us see in our channel if we got a new message. And here we got a new message and it is showing hello team, we have just added a new contact in Apollo. This is the same message with the same details that I have mapped and entered here in this workflow like this. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. So that's how you can set up an automation. So we are done here, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you do not have to do anything manually in this workflow. After that, whenever you are going to add a new contact in Apollo, your team is going to receive these messages automatically and the workflow is going to run in the background. All right, and you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description. You can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.